Here's the baloney that Matt threw at me last night.
Damn you. Is that real?
That's what real. This piece of bologna right here.
No, what is that?
The spider in the window.
What is that?
Are you having one of yours?
I swear it's like real. It's like,
Is that speck right there on the couch real?
No, I swear.
Tell me,
I
babe.
saw something.
Hey, Matthew. Yes!
Babe, I saw something on there.
He saw something on there. Wait, let's look at that. Oh, there's some snot on there.
No, it's right there.
Oh, wait, let's get closer. Oh, wait. There's a speck right there. It's a spider.